Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next component, which will be this bolt. And let's open a new part. And here let's make this plain white. And now we'll open a sketch in the front plane, and here we'll make the next sketch. Select line and make this sketch. Just like this. And now let's select center line and let's make here a vertical center line bigger than this sketch. And now smart dimension, let's define this. First, from this line to this center line, here will be 19 millimeters. And then from this line to this center line, here will be 14. And here will be 12. Okay, and now this line right here will have 4 millimeters. This one will have 38. Okay, we'll have to drag this up for a little bit. And now this one right here will have 33. And now this should be fully defined. This is the center line. Let's drag it up. Just like this. And now go to features and use Revolved boss base command. Here should be selected this center line, 360 degrees, blind. Press OK. And now let's add some chamfers. So go to fillet, select chamfer. Here for the first one we'll use 1.5. We'll select this face or this edge. Press OK, and now let's add one more. This time we're gonna use 1 millimeter and we'll select this edge with this face. Press OK. Perfect. Now we'll have to make the fillet for the thread for this part. And for this we'll have to go up here to curves, click on this line and select helix and spiral. And then we'll have to make a sketch for this helix and we'll have to select this face. Here we'll have to select this circle. If you don't know which one is it from this direction, just move the part like this and it will be this edge. Select this edge and select here convert entities command. This will convert this edge into our sketch and it will be a circle of this diameter. Now exit this sketch. And here we'll have to make these settings. First we'll have to select here height and pitch, constant pitch. The height will be 32, the pitch will be 175. If the helix is going this way, you'll have to select here reverse the direction. If not, just leave it like this. Make sure that it's going on this bolt. And here the start angle will be 0 degrees and clockwise. Press, if you have here taper helix, unselect this. Press OK. And now we'll have to make the profile for our thread. To do this, we'll have to find which plane is starting in this point, is passing through this point. To do this, go over each of the planes and we can see that front plane is not, top plane is not, right plane is it. So select right plane, open a sketch. And right here, let's make the next sketch. Select line. And we'll make this. Select smart dimension. And now from this line to this line, here the angle will be 60 degrees. Now let's select this point with this point from the middle of this line and select here make horizontal. And now with smart dimension, let's give here another dimension. Here will be 1.5. And now this should be almost fully defined. Now select this point with this helix and select here make pierce. Now we'll add a small fillet right here, so go up here to sketch fillet. The radius will be, let's try with 0.1. Select this point and press here OK. Press here OK, and now exit this sketch. Go to features, and from here we'll use swept cut. This sketch should be selected here, and now we'll select here the path. Will be this helix. And now press here OK, and let's see how the thread is looking. I think it's looking okay. And now let's right click on this helix and select here hide. And I'll have to do one more thing to make this thread looking a little bit better. Select this face, open a sketch, and with this face selected, select here convert entities command. And now select line, and let's make here a small triangle like this. Select this line and select here construction geometry. Now go to features, use extruded cut, and we'll make here this cut, but we'll have to select here this one, draft on, and let's increase it. Make sure that this cut is not colliding with this face of the thread, and keep here blind, and here the size should be 10, should be okay. Press OK. And now this is looking a little bit better. Alright, now we'll have to make the next thing. Open a sketch on this face, and here select polygon and make a polygon like this. Select this point with this one and select here make vertical. And now it's smart dimension from this point to this one. Here should be 7. Okay, now go to features, use extruded cut, and here the depth should be 5. Press OK. And now we'll select fillet, and the radius will keep it 1, and select all of these faces, actually edges, and press here OK. And now let's apply a material. So right click on material, edit material, will be also steel 1020, apply and close. Now let's save this also. Okay, and this is the next component from this gate roller guide. This was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.